5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Joking. It's not New Year's at all. But today we are doing a New Year's look. So I thought I would use the Jacklyn Hill, the Beaut, the ultimate makeup palette, and create a New Year's look for you guys. First of all, I did my whole face makeup because I thought, how many times do you guys really want to see that? So I thought I'll just quickly show you guys the products that I use and then we'll get started. I got my Jacklyn Hill palette from Muse Beauty. You can also, there's a lot of sites in South Africa where you can order it from, but I got mine from Muse Beauty. I do trust them, so if you want to check it out, go check it out. I also bought, let me show you guys what I also bought. I bought this loose setting powder from Coty Airspun. Then, oh guys, this palette is a beaut, but I do not like the texture. I do not like the texture of Vata, and this has like a velvet texture, so I do not like that. But the ABH Modern Renaissance palette, let me, it's so disgusting. That's how the palette looks like. Ugh, what a beaut. And then you also get like a little brush with. And then I obviously got the Jacklyn Hill palette, and then I also got some skincare products which I will be trying and I will let you guys know how it is. So firstly I got like a hydrating serum, then I got, oh this is so cool guys, so this is a chemical exfoliator. It is a peeling solution, but look at this color. It's red like blood. So cool. I might just burn my face off though, but it's worth it, I hope. Then I also got a retinol, which is for anti-aging, and then the face serum, which has like everything you want in a serum. That was random, not planned, but let me rather show you guys what is on my face. So firstly I used the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, the trusty old Rimmel Stay Matte Loose Powder. I used the Butter Bronzer for my bronzer, the Milani in Luminoso, good old favorites guys. Then, oh, I first used primer. This is the Benefit Professional. For concealer I used the Maybelline Age Rewind. Brows, the Essence Make Me Brown in brownie brows. Then for highlight I used this High Beam from Benefit. So how this works, it is a liquid highlight. Let me just show you guys. So you just dot, and then I just use my finger and I tap it out. So this gives you like a really nice, like healthy glow. It looks like you're glowing from the inside, because it's obviously not a powder, but I did put a powder over it because it's New Year's. You want your highlight to be blinding. So I also put a loose highlighter over. This is the NYX Strobe Genius palette, and I used these two shades. I mixed them together, this one and this one. And that was that for face. Now let's get onto the eyes. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, because I mean there's so many colors. These two are like my favorites. I just like the color. But I think what I want to do though is like, maybe let's try a cut crease. Not that I've ever done it. I don't know why I'll be like, oh, I'm gonna do something that I've never done on camera. So I'm gonna do a cut crease, and hopefully I don't screw it up. I probably will. But I think I want to use this shade. Oh, there's actually shades at the back. There's the names. This is, I think, called Sissy. No? How does this work? I think it's called Sissy. Yeah, so this shade, it is like a pink with like, it looks like it has gold shimmers in, so that is why I want to try that. So let's just jump right into it. Maybe let me zoom you guys closer so that you can see my eyeball. Let's just start with like a brownie, like neutral, this one. I think it is called MFEO. Okay, so it has really nice color payoff. I only put a little on, so that's a good sign. I've waited for this palette like since it got released. It's like a year. So I nearly pooped my pants when I got it. Like, that is how excited I was. And then I was like, oh, I'm gonna use it, I'm so excited. And then I was too scared, so I just stared at it for 2 days. Yeah, story of my life. Story of my life. But then I think let's go in with a darker brown. I'm gonna go in with this one. It is called, I don't know what these shades are called, guys. I don't know how the naming works. So we're just darkening the crease a bit. So I'm gonna take just a smaller blending brush, and I'm gonna use this. This shade is called Creamsicle, I think. Let me tell you guys, I'll list all the colors down below in the description box because I'm struggling to figure out this naming. Blend, 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 blend. So now let's cut the crease and see where we go from there. Okay, so I'm just taking a little bit of concealer. This is the Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer. So now what I've seen they do, yeah, seen, not tried, is they place like a little bit of concealer and then they open their eye and like to see where the crease should go. Not weird at all. Is it working? Okay, so there is where my cut crease should start. I think. Let's try. Because I'm going to place a bit more concealer and then I'm going to go in with a small little flat brush, like a flat brush like this, concealer brush, and then I'm going to carve it out. Okay, so that's how it looks. Don't know if that's how it should look, but YOLO. Now we're gonna go into the shade, that pinky shade with the gold sparkles. I'm just taking another flat brush and I'm just gonna wet it with my setting spray to make sure that there's lots of pigment. Now you just apply the color onto the concealer part. I definitely think it is a bit of a squaff cut crease. I don't think it should be up here so much, you see. It's definitely squaff, but you can see the pink, so that's all I wanted. Guys, I'm a professional. No, I'm not. Okay, so now I'm just gonna darken the outer corners here with a darker brown. I'm using this dark brown now, just to blend it, that there's no harsh like lines of where it starts. I'm going to just take a small little pencil brush, and whatever we did on the eyelid we're going to do at the bottom now. So we're going to start with that first light shade, brownie shade, taking it all over, then the darker brown, then with a smaller little brush I'm going to take that dark brown, and then I think I'm going to go in with that pink shade on the lower lash line as well, in the like inner part. Then for eyebrow and inner corner highlight, I'm just going to be using this shade. I think it's Beam. And a bit of a cleaner cut here. And my little beauty sponge. This is so cute. Oh, can't deal. I'm quickly going to do my other eye off camera. Let's hope I can remember all the shades I used. And then I'll be back to put on the mascara and lipstick. See you guys now. Guys, I feel like that was 7 million years later. Don't let them YouTubers tell you that cut creases are easy. It is not. I struggled, but I'm done now. So let's just slap some lashes on, slap lipstick on, and I feel like I need to nap then. I'm firstly gonna go in with the Lash Sensational Primer because it's New Year's. We want crazy lashes. What's your guys' plans for New Year's? Do you usually do something? We're usually on the beach, so to be real with you guys, I'm definitely not gonna look like this. I'll probably just have like crazy beach hair and no makeup. Just the truth. Now for mascara, I'm just going to be using the Lash Sensational Paradise. No, just Lash Sensational. Okay, so lashes are done. This primer is really good. It actually, like, look at them lashes. Beautiful. Love lashes. Now for lips, I'm going to mix again. I'm going to mix this Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid in the shade, oh, here we go, Nude Flush. It's like a pinky shade with this Wet n Wild Berry Doll. I just want to put this like in the center. And this is the finished New Year's look. Yay! This took me so long. It is almost New Year's. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing New Year's and that 2019 will truly be such a blessed year, filled with favor, filled with God's goodness, and that it will truly be the best year of your life.